guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'll be taking you guys through how I am going to achieve this multi-purpose soap. Yes, this is actually my first time trying this. I know definitely I will be enjoying doing this. Yes, so in the next how many months I'm not going to buy soap. So guys, if you enjoy watching this video, like and share. Okay, this soap, you can actually use it to wash your plates. You can use it to wash your clothes. Yes, you can also use it to wash your car. Yes, you can also use it to mop. So come with me, let me show you guys how you can achieve this. Okay, so these are the ingredients that you need. Okay, so let's go. First of all, you need your 5-liter water.
Hey guys, welcome to another video. So in this video I'll be taking you guys along. Okay, so this is actually my first time making this soap. Okay, this one is Nitrosol, but I don't really know their name like that. Okay, but they have already explained to me which to put and which not to put first. Okay, this measurement that I'm doing is for 5 liter. Do you understand? Okay, altogether I use, let me say, 10 liter and half. Okay, so I used this other one. I missed 3 particular one inside this place. I will be listing them in the comment section. Okay, I'll be listing the names of this in the comment section. Okay, so that you can buy yours and know what to, the first one to use and the second one I will list it according to how you're going to use it, okay, in the comment section. So this thing, you just need to put it in separate, like you need to separate it, like as I am doing this whole particular one now. Okay, I leave it for about how many minutes, like 10 minutes for it to cool down before you put it again. And you need to stir really well. Like I mean, you need to turn this thing really well. Okay, this is the other one. I am missing this one. I am not putting it immediately, I am keeping it. Okay, so for those of you that don't understand, okay, this one is the booster and the other one. Okay, so this is me mixing them together. I think this is the last one before the colored and the perfume. Okay, so you need to stir. See this thing, you see the consistency in you stirring this thing. So that bucket that I've already mixed before, those 3 ingredients I've already put inside this bucket, I'm going to turn it inside this place now. Together inside this bucket now is 10 liter. Do you understand? I use 5 liter to mix this big bucket. The second one, which is the smaller bucket, and I use 5 liter again. So now I am putting all the ingredients I've already keep. Okay, now I am missing this other one inside. Okay, like I really enjoy doing this thing, but my hands, like my shoulder, are paining me. At a time I call Obi to help me to do this thing. Okay, so this is the colored. So now this thing is so much inside this bucket, I have to share it inside this other bucket. Okay, for it to be easy for me, you understand, because I cannot turn it, so I don't want it to throw on the floor and all that. So this is me turning it. Guys, you need to turn this thing. See, the perfume is so small, but hey, the power on this perfume is another level. Very small, like a drop of water, but it's scenting. I said, how will this small perfume come outside from these 2 things? So this is me putting another 5 liter, but I did not put everything. I just half it. Do you understand? Because I want my soap to be really thick. Now I am so happy. Guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. So I bought all these things from Nigeria. If you need the contact, you can DM me. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Please like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. You can tell the joy in my face. I'm so happy. Like, I do not believe I did this. In the next 6 to 7 months, I'm not going to buy soap again. So this means mixing them together so it will all blend. Okay, so guys, watch how I am going to fill them into my container. Okay, so I have this 3 container here. Definitely I know that this 3 container will not be enough because that other one is not big. It's not like this 5 liter. Okay, so I will buy another one to fill the remaining one, because definitely it will not contain the 3 or container. Okay, please guys, like and share this video, subscribe to our page, okay, if you found this video useful. Okay, so what did you guys think? Did you guys think that I tried making this for the very first time? Like, this thing is very, very, very foamy. Like, the scent, I love the scent. Oh my god, oh, this is so beautiful scenting. I was just feeling myself doing this. Like, I really enjoy doing this. Actually, really enjoy doing this. Okay, so guys, if you found this video interesting, give us a follow or subscribe to our page. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So I'm feeling the other one now. Okay, so this is me just feeling it. Oh, this thing is so much. Like, it's very, very many. And I use it to wash plates. I even gave Obi inside to wash his car, and the thing is foaming. Just little one like this. So it's just foaming and all that. I used it to mop the ground yesterday. Like, hey, the scent is amazing. It's just, I love the scent, and this is what it looks like. Bye.